how to make $500 per day with ClickBank affiliate marketing using TikTok ads and or also organic free traffic as a means to make $500 sale per day. Now in this video, I'm going to show exactly how this is done step by step. So let's have a look. As you can see over here, this is one of my new accounts on ClickBank. The reason why is because I was testing out new offers that are paying all the way from $350 to $800 per sale on ClickBank. So let's go straight into it. As you can see over here on my TikTok, I had 266,000 video views in the last 7 days. So let me click over here. In the last 28 days, I had 1.1 million video views. So now you see why TikTok is great engagement campaign, because in 2025, you want to get results with affiliate marketing, you have to think differently. Not the same outdated methods like in 2024, which did not work, right? Most people bought courses for $3,000, $4,000 US, and then they find out there is some missing secret puzzle and find out it's actually outdated course. So that's why I'm showing you what actually works in 2025 with ClickBank affiliate marketing and how you can do it quickly and fast. Before I go into it, let's have a look here. Let's go to ClickBank and you can see over here, right? The average conversion for this manifestation product over here, it's $645, right? And you have other offers here, even paying even more, $900 to $1,000 per sale, right? So you can see with only one sale per day for $500 or $1,000, you can be making really great money online, right? Now, when it comes to the audience, you have to remember, yes, you can have a mini website, mini quiz funnel or click funnels, whatever, landing page or pre-sale page. But what it matters is understanding deeper psychology. Now, you don't have to learn that, okay? All you have to do is you have to have someone who can help you step by step, one-on-one, over the Zoom call, show you exactly how this is done. Okay, with high ticket affiliate marketing. Let me show you where you can reach out to me later. Over here you can see my Instagram, my WhatsApp, my Facebook. You can reach out later to me if you have any questions regards to making money online, affiliate marketing, okay, TikTok ads. So I will share everything in the details. But now let's go straight into it so you can see how this actually works. Okay, as you can see over here, right, people are on their phones 24/7. You go to subway, you go to bus, airplane, you'll see people on their phones. So that's, my friend, for you, advantage, leverage to take action in 2025, especially in January. As you know, many people make New Year resolutions, the goal setting. So niches like astrology, weight loss, dating, weight loss supplements, gym stuff works really well, right? But you have to understand, male and female audience is different. So copywriting, ad copy is going to be different. This is what most people are struggling with. And again, it's not your fault. If you have invested thousands of dollars before in different courses and you have failed, you lost money, I understand you. I know how you feel because I used to be there as well a few years ago. Until I found out it's my fault if I'm not taking action once the opportunity or gift presents in front of my eyes. Okay, so how fast you can make money. You can see if you have one sale for $500 a day, you can be making $2,000 per month, okay, or $500 per week. This is weekly, okay, weekly sale. If you make 2 sales per week, you can be making $4,000 per month. But if you have 5 sales in a month, in a week, you are making $10,000 per month. Okay, so you don't need to have hundreds of sales. You just need to have few sales here and there, and you can be making all the way from 5,000 all to 10,000 or even 20,000 US dollars per month, okay, whatever your goal is. Now you have to understand that 92% of TikTok users, this is studies, this is not made up stuff, this is studies have made that 92% of TikTok users say they have discovered new product on the app. So it means that if they found a product on the app, it means that their buyer's intent is there. Buying behavior is already there. That they wake up, they know, someone gonna sell me something, I want to buy some product. So you see the psychology, marketing psychology is different. Most gurus on YouTube never share this, but you have low emotional states and high emotional states audience. And it matters how you bind together your copy with your pre-sale page. Remember, you have 5 stages of awareness. Product aware, problem aware, and totally unaware audiences. So it really matters how your positioning of your ads, your landing page really matters. Okay? Some people say, oh, affiliate marketing doesn't work. I lost money. Yes? Who have you followed? Who are you listening to? The guru who's selling you the course, or someone who actually understands deeper layers of marketing psychology and actually knows how to apply it in 2025 to once for all finally start having the results? You can see what we get done together. You can see one-on-one, right? Over the Zoom calls with my students, with my coaching clients. We get it done together because I'm sick and tired of sitting 8 weeks watching some course just to find out it's outdated. And I cannot contact support. I cannot contact anyone one-on-one to ask questions when I'm stuck, when my ad account gets shut down, right? So you can see what can happen once you take affiliate marketing really seriously. This is the lifestyle you can have. The dream that you always wanted to travel somewhere, see new places. Yes, it's possible if you take action. So this is 100% for you if you have a laptop, computer, Wi-Fi connection, some money to invest in yourself, and if you have 20 to 30 minutes per day, and follow simple step-by-step instructions, okay? Of course, one-on-one, hand-holding, personally. That's what actually gets the job done. Okay, so let me ask you something before we finish this. How important is it for you to finally make $500 per day and have the freedom to live the life of your own terms? Okay, ask yourself these questions. Because honestly, I cannot answer this for you. Only you can decide if you're ready right now to take the steps, to take the action as you watch this video, and allow yourself to give yourself a gift opportunity to make money online in 2025. So let me know after this video. Are links in the description, and let's connect and make something happen.